Hey guys, it's Matt here with Kingz Customs. In this video I will be showing you an inexpensive and easy way to repair your rockers. This was done with the help of Tyler, who also works at Kingz Customs. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you liked the video, feel free to leave a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos. For this repair we chose to use aluminum so the rockers will never rust again. Before the aluminum goes on, you need to make sure that the surface is clean. I used a grinder to make sure all the bed liner and rust was removed from the metal that could be reused. Once the aluminum is bent for the shape of the rockers, you need to drill holes for the rivets. Here you can see us placing the rivets in the holes that were previously drilled. Since we are overlaying metal, you need to spray the bed liner over the gap that is created between the aluminum and the door frame. You need to do this, that way water or any other dirt cannot get down in the gap. Once the top edge is sprayed, you can now start working on the outside. For this we use black duplicolor bed liner because it is what closely matched the previous bed liner that was on the bottom of the truck. Be sure to spray the bed liner in even, consistent layers. This way there aren't any bare spots left and then there's no heavy spray in one section. At this point, it is up to you to decide how heavy you spray on the bed liner. I sprayed mine on heavy because more bed liner offers more protection. I did not want my rockers to be damaged soon after their repair was finished. Here you can see I went over that inside edge one more time. I just wanted to make sure that everything was properly sealed. As you can see here, I had to use some Bondo to fill in a small gap. Spray this and then move on to the rest of the rocker. Just like I previously did on the passenger side rocker, make sure you do the same on the driver's side and spray the top edge to make sure it is sealed. Once the top edge is sprayed, you can move on to the bottom. It is up to you to decide how thick of a layer you want. For mine, I decided to do a few thick layers to offer the most protection that I can. Here you can see the finished product on the passenger side. The color may not seem to match up now, but it will once the truck is clean. Just like the passenger side, you can see the finished product here on the driver's side. If you have old and rusty rockers that you get tired of looking at, you can use this easy and inexpensive way to make your truck look better. In total, this cost me around $30, which includes the aluminum and a single can of bed liner. This process can be time consuming if you don't know what steps to do. I hope that this video has helped you understand that you don't have to pay someone a lot of money to make your truck look better. With the help of this video, you can do it on your own for a low cost. I hope this video brought to you by Kingz Customs has helped in some way. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more how-tos and projects.